Okay, traders, it's another day in the global financial market. Yeah, it's David again bringing you the top-notch analysis for today, which is Wednesday, the 4th of September 2024. I'm going to be checking first the signal strength that we're going to be seeing for today from the weekly time frame to the daily time frame. So these are the major pairs I will be looking at: Japanese JPY, Pound JPY, gold. I'm also going to be looking at Euro USD, Pound USD, and USD ZAR. Okay, so on the first GJ, we have that we can see that GJ is actually weakened. Then gold is also weakened overboard from weekly to H4 time frame. Okay, so and Euro USD, you can see Euro USD week one is strengthening, 15 minutes is weakened, and daily is also strengthened. So pound USD, the same thing we are seeing here on the weekly, is also weakened as well. Then the USD South African rand, on the weekly it's strengthened on the H1, and the D1 and H4 is actually weakened at the moment. So let's see FX Blue too as well. Let's see what we have for today. CHF, Japanese yen, euro are actually strengthened, and Canadian dollar and um, gold is also weakened as well. So if you go to the medium, you will see CHF, Japanese yen, and gold. On the weaker side, Bitcoin. Then long term CHF. So it means that from short term, medium, and long term, Swiss franc is actually strengthened. Remember the news that came out yesterday for it. Let's move to currency strength. Meter and C, and over here CHF is actually weakened. So let me see if this is actually accurate. Okay, so I've refreshed. CHF is actually strengthened. So the weaker pairs are NZD and also USD and AUD currency pair. So these are the weaker versus the weaker currency pair, I beg your pardon, that I'll be looking at today. So let's take a look at Forex Factory. Today's high impact news by 2:45 p.m. Bank of Canada will be releasing their news reports on the rates, and then by 3 p.m. we're having two major news: the job openings, and Bank of also Canada will be releasing their press report. So I'm just going to go briefly on this particular currency pair. From the first one, Bank of Canada would announce the decision on the interest rate. Okay, the interest rate of the economy. Over time, it seems they've been kind of borrowing from other sectors to boost their economy. So there's going to be a little bit of changes in the interest rate. So this can also influence the currency strength too as well. So traders pay close attention on this particular currency pair. Okay, so if you see the actual greater than forecast, it will be good for the currency pair. But if you have a report which is weaker than the forecast, then it will be bad for the Canadian dollars. Okay, so more hawkish than expected is good for the currency pair. All right, so moving to the next one, which is also USD. By 3 p.m. we're also going to be having the US releasing their labor market report. So this is going to have an high impact on the currency strength. So a higher than expected would be good for the USD currency. Okay, so if you have let's say for example 9.0, it will be actually good for the currency. But if we have lesser than this, it will be bad for the currency. So the trading strategy that you can use for this, let's move to our chart. Let's look at what currency pair we can look at. Let's take for example Pound USD. Okay, so the trading strategy is to capitalize on the market reaction. So once this news comes out, look out for Pound USD, Euro USD, USD Canadian dollars, and AUD CAD as well, and take advantage of either section. So I would set my zone, which you can see from the daily time frame. If market comes out good for the USD, market should push to this level, which is about 102 pips or even further, or we can have a break out of this level if market comes out bad for the pound sterling, for the USD, I beg your pardon. Okay, so for the USD, I'm looking forward for price breaking into the channel. That is, if the news comes out good for the USD currency pair. If not, we might have a pullback right into the channel. So this is what I have for us today. I'm going to be giving you more updates on